So that's my actual turquoise. Cerulean actually makes quite a nice turquoise on its own. Mix cerulean with a small amount of green. And that makes a very good ranges of turquoise right the way down to a teal. Darker goes all the way down through, so that's a very beautiful range. Equally, you can use phthalo blue and leaf green. Leaf green is just basically a yellow type green. You will be able to either mix or have a green similar to this colour. So that is leaf green. That's more of a sea green. Right the way up to quite pale. So it really depends on exactly what kind of turquoise you're looking for, because they do range from blue to green. Hansa yellow. Cobalt blue. And Hansa yellow.